Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your commissions with Thrive Market detailed guide step by step. Visit the Thrive Market website and log into your account. Navigate to the orders section in your account dashboard. Locate the order for which you need to recover your commission. Click on the order to view its details. Check the status of the order to confirm it is eligible for commission recovery. If the order is marked as cancelled or refunded, note this information for your request. Take a screenshot of the order details for your records. Visit the Thrive Market support page to access the Help Center. Look for the Contact Us section for assistance. Select the option that best represents your issue, in this case, commission recovery. Fill out the support form with the necessary details. Include your order number, date of the purchase, and a brief description of the issue. Attach the screenshot of the order details to the support request. Submit the form and wait for a confirmation email from Thrive Market. Check your email regularly for any updates regarding your commission recovery. Once you receive a response, follow any additional instructions provided by the support team. If your request is approved, monitor your account for the updated commission status. Be patient, as processing times may vary. Repeat these steps for any future commission recovery needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.